If you don't know how to do a smoky eye, watch this video because I guarantee by the end of it, you'll be a pro. Maybe with a little bit of practice too, but you get the idea. What I'm going to do first of all is prep with a shade that you would normally use to contour with. This is the Maybelline Erase Eye in the shade Tan. So I'm just blending that out now, but basically what this will do is it will just make sure there's already a darker shade for the eyeshadows to blend into. The brush you use is actually super important as well, so I like to use a slightly denser blending brush like one of these two. This one's slightly flatter, and then this one's just slightly rounder. The first shade I'm going to go in with is this deep brown shade here from the Madison Beer palette. And then all I'm going to do is I'm going to start pressing this onto my eyelid like so. Okay, so this is what it's looking like just after we pack that shade on. As you guys can see, it's blending super easily anyway because we've got that dark base on, but I'm just going to go in with a neutral brown shade to help it blend even more. And then I'm just going to take a little bit of this black shade here and really define the lash line with it, just like so. Okay, so now I'm just taking a little bit of makeup remover and just cleaning up that outer edge really carefully. Also, just to let you guys know, the reason I did my eyes before my base was just because we're using really dark eyeshadow, so if any of them drop down and we've already done our foundation, it's just going to mess it up completely. I'm now just adding some mascara. Feel free to add lashes if you like, but you guys know lashes aren't really my thing. Okay, so now my foundation and concealer all on, which is really important before we do the lower lash line, otherwise it will just cover it all up. So I'm going to take like a medium dark brown shade on the lower lash line first, and then I'm going to start layering it up to the darker shades. You basically just want to do the exact same thing you did on the lid on the lower lash line, so I'm going to blend it out with the same shade we used on the eyelid. And here you have it, the perfect classic smoky eye that hopefully now you guys should find super easy.